Ronnie, welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 50 and today's topic will be how to chat with your AWS S3 bucket files using Langchain and OpenAI. Okay, so obviously I'll be going to use AWS and also I'll be going to use Langchain document later, and obviously for question answering part I'll be going to use OpenAI API, which is kind of chat GPT, right? Okay, so let's move ahead with the next slide. I'll be just going to do it kind of a very fast. The theoretical part I'll just going to cover it very fast, okay, so that I can actually take more time for giving you guys explanation on the coding part. Okay, so what we will do here, so first we'll read multiple files from AWS S3 bucket, and after that we'll be going to read those files using Langchain document later. To actually reduce the video length, I have already uploaded some files into my AWS S3 bucket. I'll just show you. Okay, then I'll be going to use a prompt to get the answer, right? So first is loading the file, and after that I'll be going to convert that files into a document, Langchain document, and using that document I'll be going to upload that document into a vector database. For database part, I'll be going to use this vector account. So it's a database service provider, vector database service provider, and steps are there. First you have to sign up, and after that you have to get your customer ID. Then you have to create a corpus, which is basically kind of a table or kind of a layer where actually your data will be stored, and then you'll be going to get a corpus ID, and at the end you have to get a API key, right? So basically let me familiar you guys with this thing. So basically if you see here, so this is my Vectera console. Here basically I created a corpus tutorial 50, and if I go ahead and click on my name, I'll be going to get customer ID, and if you click here, it is the corpus ID, and obviously I'll be going to require, if you click on authorization, we'll be going to if you go here, after that you have to click on access control, you'll be going to get an this thing, API key, create API key. So I'll be just going to use this API key. Okay, so what I did here, I have already, just hold on, so basically okay, so I have already created a .env file here. Okay, if you see here, I have already created, let me maximize this thing, I have already created a .env file here, and which has this variable like customer ID, corpus ID, and vector ID. So don't worry about this thing, I'll be going to delete all this thing after some time. Okay, and I'll be going to use I have already created some question like okay, let me show you guys something. Okay, so first start with AWS. Okay, so basically this is my AWS S3 bucket account, and if you click here, I have created a S3 bucket called this LLM S3 text, and inside that I have uploaded two files, history of Greece txt, history of India txt. Okay, so basically I have already have couple of questions here written. So like this thing, this question I'll be going to ask from my program, and we're going to get some answer. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial first. Okay, so this is going to be very exciting tutorial. Okay, so let me start writing the code. So before I write this thing, so first thing probably you have to import OS. Obviously you have to import OS, and what else, I think we have to load this from env file. So obviously we have to actually import this thing. So from .env import load.env, right? Next thing is actually, I think like this. Okay, it is done. Now first thing first, what you have to do, we have to create the vector database first. Okay, before doing that, let's create the LLM also. So from, okay, so just hold on, so from Langchain OpenAI, so import chat OpenAI, and let's create the LLM here, right? So chat, so basically chat OpenAI. Okay, so model I'll be going to use, what model I'll be going to use, probably I'll be going to use GPT-4 Turbo Preview. So GPT-4 Turbo Preview. I just using this thing to just get a feedback, like when it is actually available for everyone. So that time I have already have the experience of using it. Okay, then temperature is going to 0.0. Okay, so few preliminary steps are done. Now I'll be going to create the vector store. Okay, so I'm just thinking how to actually create the vector stores. Okay, so just hold on. So probably let's say there is something called vectora. Okay, so just hold on. So probably, so we'll be going to use from Langchain underscore community. Okay, dot vector stores import like vectora, right? So basically I believe this should be in capital. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll be going to create the vector store. So basically I'll give a name called vs. Okay, so vs is going to become from vectora. Okay, and how it will be going to be created, right? So basically first we'll be going to get the vectora customer id, right? So vectora, so vectora, let's say customer underscore id. So vectora customer id will be going to get it from the environmental file. So basically os dot get env, right? And inside that I'll be going to pass this value. Okay, so basically, okay, right? Then we'll be going to write a comma here. Okay, so next thing will be vectora corpus id. So vectora corpus underscore id, and it is going to be os dot get env, and I'll be going to get this thing from again from here, right? Okay, this, right? Then what will happen, vectora api key, right? So vectora, right, api underscore key, and this is going to be os dot get env, right? Like this. And then what will happen, we'll be going to upload this. Okay, so that's it. So database, we have created a constructor here. Okay, so let's see. So basically it is giving some error. Okay, so there is actually small model. Okay, so model, right? So let's see whether no error means everything is fine. So let's actually clear this thing. Okay, so now let's do the other part. So basically now you have to actually load from S3 bucket. So basically we will be going to import a loader. So from Langchain underscore community dot document loaders, then import S3 directory loader. Okay, so we'll be going to load the whole directory. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to create loader equals to, okay, S3 directory loader, and inside that I'll be going to just pass the S3 bucket name. So basically my S3 bucket name will be here. Okay, let's copy this thing. Okay, right, and then we'll be going to write doc equals to loader dot load. Okay, so let's print this doc. Okay, so basically when you run this line of code, you might be going to get an error that boto3 library is missing. So boto3 you have to install, like pip3 install boto3, and also we have to configure your AWS access key and secret ID. If you are not able to do it and you are getting this error, please drop me a message on the video comment box. I'm actually going to help you, okay? Because I am expecting that if you are watching this video, it means you already have like basic knowledge of AWS, so that is why I'm not covering that AWS configuration part here, right? But if you still have the problem, then just let me know, okay? Okay, so now what is happening, it should generate the text from those documents. So what is written inside the document you already know. Yes, so this is the thing, it is written in the documents, a history of Greece something, it is the history of India, and it is actually, there are two documents, right? So okay, so basically this is one document and this is one document, two document is loaded. Now I'll be going to convert that document into a vector store. Inside the vector store we'll be going to upload basically. So basically what we'll be going to do, so this one, like, so let's go here. So right now I have no document there. If you see right now, no document is here, so we'll be going to load the document now, right? So basically how to do it, so it's very simple. So we'll be going to create vector, okay, and it is going to be actually, I'm just thinking. So basically just hold on. So vector store, so basically we have to use the vector store, right? So just hold on. Where is this vector is coming? Vector from documents, like this. Okay, so basically this capital vector dot from vector from documents, documents, right? And what we'll be going to pass, we'll be going to pass this doc, and embeddings is not required. So as per the documentation I understand that it is doing something internal, it's not required. Okay, so I'm not sure, but it has to be like this. Okay, now we have to create a retriever. Okay, so retriever, so basically vector dot as underscore retriever, triever. Okay, done. So at this part, at this moment, if I do this thing, hopefully a document will be uploaded here. Still, if I just refresh this page, nothing. Okay, so now I just want to execute the code and a document will be available here, right? So let's see. Okay, so let's clear everything here. Okay, okay, let's execute the code now. Okay, okay, and if you see here, if I key on data, so still not done yet. Okay, so missing one positional argument, embedding. Okay, I just did a spelling mistake here, embedding. Okay, that is why it is not working. So let it run and let's wait here. Nothing is happening, so let's run this thing. Yeah, not done yet. Okay, so vector has no object. Yeah, again I did a spelling mistake. Triever. Okay, I always do this sort of things. Okay, so let it run. But I believe document is uploaded or not, I don't understand. Yeah, document is uploaded. Okay, so what I'll do, let it run first. Okay, it's done. So what I'll do, I'll just delete the document and I'll again do it. Okay, so I've deleted the document, nothing is here, right? If you see here, okay, nothing is there. Let's execute the program again one more time. Okay, okay, so now let's refresh the page. We'll be see the documents index, some ID or something is coming. Yeah, done. Now we'll be going to create the bot. Okay, so for that we'll be going to load the conversational retrieval chain, right? So let's come back to this part. So it should be langchain.chains. From langchain.chains import, so it should be conversational retrieval chain. Where is that? Conversational retrieval chain. Yes, done. So let's create the bot now. So probably bot is going to be, okay, so bot is going to be conversational retrieval chain, right? Then dot, then from LLM, right? And the first parameter is going to be LLM, right? Then second parameter will be retriever, right? Retriever, this retriever. Then third parameter will be verbose equals to, I can make it false. Okay, so let's see whether it is working or not. So our code is running. So basically I think I can delete this thing again, okay, because I'll be going to execute the code again. So I'm just doing just basic things like, okay, so I just want to see whether this line is giving me error or not. Okay, maybe I'm missing something. From our mistake only we'll learn. Okay, so let's see. So it is taking time because it is loading the document from S3 bucket from here, and it is actually uploading, so no error is coming. So it means I can easily create something called result equals to bot dot invoke, okay, something like this. And there probably I'll just write question question, question. Okay, so my question, I'll be going to get it from here. So question, maybe I just ask this question. Okay, okay, done, right? Now what we'll do, if I do a response here, it will be like result of answer. So basically print result, and it should be inside a key called answer. Hope you all know, right? So let's clear this thing and let's do. So last time, let's delete everything. Okay, fine. It's done. Now what is going to happen? Now let's ask this question. Let's execute. Let's see. It is saying some keys are missing. Okay, chat history key is missing. It means while creating the bot, we have to actually pass a memory. Okay, so because of that it's not working. So basically what we'll do here, so we'll be going to like from Langchain dot memory import conversion buffer memory, and we'll be going to create a variable. Okay, let's see, memory equals to conversion buffer memory, right? And basically what keys they're going to be there. So it is saying chat history, right? Chat history. So basically memory underscore key equals to, this is missing actually, it is saying chat history, memory key is chat history. And probably one more thing, we'll be going to write return messages equals to do, right? Okay, right. So let's clear this part. Okay, And last time, let me delete everything. Yeah, so where is my bot? Yeah, in the bot also I have to pass this thing. So memory equals to memory. Okay, done. So everything is fine. So let's delete this thing. Okay, okay, all done. Okay, let's execute. Okay. GPT-4 turbo preview. Okay, so GPT spelling is wrong now. Yes. Okay, so now it is working, but GPT spelling is wrong. Let's do it now one more time. Yes. Let's see. It should generate the answer now only. Okay, so there you go. So it is saying that this thing. Okay, so now we'll ask some question from here. So I'll be going to upload this question as well. Here I'll be just going to do 3 or 4 question, and maybe in for your practice you can try multiple question. Okay, so this is just for intuition development, that how you can actually work with your AWS file, right? So as I told you, like each and every bits and pieces I'll be going to cover in this tutorial. So I'm doing that, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this series. I'm just looking for some sort of support from you guys. Try to share this playlist with everyone like over YouTube and across the globe. Whoever has access to internet, I want them to actually watch this playlist. That is my dream. Okay, I hope you guys will help me. Okay, so the answer is actually coming. So maybe one more. Okay, so that's it, guys. So we have actually concluded the video over here. So as always, it's a humble request. Try to subscribe to our channel if you are watching this video for the first time. And for existing viewers or audience, guys, please try to share our videos with your family and friend, and try to put some comment, positive or negative, doesn't matter, but it has to be honest one, so that you can improve our quality in our future videos. Also, if you think the videos are actually helping you to learn something new, or maybe it is helping you to do your job in a better or efficient way, please let us know by some sort of feedback, so that it will encourage and motivate us to create this quality content again and again. With that note, I'll be going to conclude the video here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.